Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, once again in this video I'm talking about the Shiba token. In this time a lot of my friends message me on Instagram that what should we do in this time, as it a best time to buy, sell or hold Shiba token. Absolutely, as you know, the price of Shiba token is very fastly moving up in the cryptocurrencies market. So now what is the best decision for all of you at this time, as it a best time to buy, sell or hold? For this decision we have to look the last 1 day price since occur, the last 1 week price since occur, and what is the next move of the Shiba token. And this video we have to look, after that we decide that as it a best time to buy, sell or hold Shiba token friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel friends. Anyways, let's start my friends, let's move on. First of all, as you can see here, if you look the current price of the Shiba token, so 0.000016 USD dollar is the current price of the Shiba token. And on the other hand, if you look the price changes occur in the Shiba token, so as you can see here, from the previous last 1 day the price changes occur in the Shiba token is gone wrong. They are going very badly fast down friends. So absolutely a lot of people, that is why message me that the price is again start moving fast down. So what should we do at this time? So finally I decide to make a video for all of you friends. Keep watch friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price is negative, the last 1 week price is positive. Let's see the price chart for a better understanding and for a better decision friends. As you can see here, from the previous last 1 week the whole changes occur in the V chain as going fast down friends. The price of the V chain is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. The price is fast down friends. So what's the reason behind it? What's the reason behind that at this time? Only one reason at this time. The short-term investor going to sell Shiba token at this time friends, they want to take as profit and go away from the market. But the long-term investor are waiting for the $1 price of the Shiba token friends. So friends, I hope that that's not a big target for Shiba token, but Shiba token have to take a time for hitting this target. So Shiba token very soon hitting a $1 friends. My advice for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that is my personal suggestion for all of you. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. And this my suggestion for all of you in this time is that please hold it. And the last of 2021 they can hit a $1, I'm sure friends. So what's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and